Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and today I have for you a mega layout share. So I don't think I've done a share for quite a few months. I had a big gap in scrapping, so these are the ones that I had done previously where I haven't shared, and these are the layouts that I've done in January. So I'm going to go through them both, and I'm probably just going to show you the layouts and speed it up with music over the top, because to be honest, I can't remember what I did half of these for, or probably all these for. So I won't be able to tell you the challenges or the products I've used or whatever it was without a lot of and ahhing and pausing and all the rest of it. So I'm purely just going to do a layout dump, really. Show you all the projects that I have done till now. So I have them in these two plastic holders, and they're both pretty full, so it's definitely time to show you them all. And I'm going to try and do from the month, so like going forward each month I'm going to try and share with you at the end of the month all the layouts I did for that month. So I don't know how this is going to work. We'll see what happens. I'm just going to rearrange my desk a little bit before we get going. And I'm really not organised, and I haven't done a layout share for so long I've forgotten how I do it. So anyway, here we go. Some are going to be doubles, some are singles. So if they're a double, I'm going to try and zoom the camera in as close as I can so you get a better look at the layout. So it's a double. Hopefully it's obvious, because I won't be showing them side by side. I'll show the left hand page first and then the right hand page, but hopefully you'll be able to see them, that they go together. Anyway, that's enough from me. Let's get on with it. Okay, there are my layouts, and basically I think that was a year's worth of scrapping because I had a big break, like I said, and you probably noticed with the lack of videos there for a while. I had a big break because when I was going through them, there was a little bit of paper I'd put in that had January 2025. So we are now in January 2026. So all I can say is that those are all the layouts I've done for the last 12 months. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you've liked this and you like the style of scrapbook pages I do, there's a big variety. I don't really have a certain style. I mix it up. I do modern, I do vintage, I do all sorts of things. If you like that, then please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when I do my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next time, have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.